Hello, welcome to this stream. I am so excited to have you here to join me for this stream. I would have started earlier on, but yeah, I would have started earlier on, but I was busy trying to find the best pattern to trade for you. I was trying to find that pattern that I believe would work very much well for you, and so that's what made me delay. Now I think yesterday's stream I talked about buying this pattern here, but the truth about buying this pattern was this was a pause button, right? This was a market wait signal, and luckily it went through. But for now, I have seen another signal here on Bitcoin Cash. Now, here's the thing about this signal and why I love it so much. Uh, it's. Oh yeah, by the way, my name is Luwasi, or you can call me Luwasi Forex. That used to be my nickname, but you can call me Luwasi Technical Analyst. All right. So just call me Luby Tech. All right, Luby Tech. That's my nickname for now. So I want us to just dive deep into this strategy here. So basically, what you have here was first you had a bullish Harami, and then you had a weight spinning black top here. Now this spinning black top has enforced a bullish engulfing pattern, which has gone right above two moving averages. Now this moving average is the 50-day moving average, and then we also have the 20-day moving average right here. And so what you want is a candlestick pattern which is touching. Ideally, you want a candlestick pattern that's touching two moving averages. That's touching both the support and the resistance and breaking through the resistance. So in this case, the support was the 50-day moving average, represented by this like dash line here. And then you want it to close like above the 20-day moving average, which is what's happened here. And my dream was to excuse me. My dream basically was to let me see if I can put my video on. I don't know if you can see me, how clear that is. Alright, it's a little bit dark. Let me see if I can. Just a second. Trying to make studio lighting. Sorry about that, guys. Trying. I was hoping to use a camera. Okay. I don't know if it's worth it. Let me see. I'll just do that. Okay. Let's try to put a camera on. All right, now. Basically, what's happening here is this is a bullish engulfing pattern, and it's crossed two moving averages. And so it is a very good entry for crypto. And then if you look at it from the weekly chart pattern, you see that it is definitely uptrending. Alright, it's definitely uptrending on these tweezer bottoms, and then you have a pullback on the daily no, not the 1 hour, sorry, on the daily chart pattern. And so what we are looking for is a bullish engulfing, which is what has appeared here. This is a bullish engulfing chart pattern. So that's what you are seeing right now. So so far so good. Now I was also doing a little bit of a research on forex trading, because I think personally I do enjoy forex trading. So let's see if I can find a forex pair. There was a forex pair that I found, and you know, it was cool. Let me see. I was supposed to start the stream earlier on, but then yeah. So also, before I go on, I'd love to thank my mentors, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Tim Sykes, who wrote the foreword to the book The Penny Stock Course, and finally Matthew Crater, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks. And you can find all their books on Amazon Kindle. So shout out to my mentors, my trading mentors. So this is another one that I found, but this one is not a good I would not like put it as an entry yet. So what's happened here is you have a bullish engulfing right here, right between the 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. Then we have a pause right there. The market is taking a breather. So the next if this candlestick goes above this moving average right here, then we are definitely going to have a buying signal on this. But right now what has happened is this bullish engulfing pattern is a strong buy signal, but we're waiting for this indecision right here. So the market is undecided. So this is a pause chart pattern. Now I want to get into buying patterns, which are one of my favorite patterns. By the way, if you notice there is a certain lag, you can just go back maybe about 30 to a minute. You can just like place your seek video maybe a minute behind during this live, and you know, it'll be all good. I'm not going to stop the live stream. I'm looking at my frames, and I'm at 1 megabytes. I think 1 megabyte per second. So not too bad, but hey, we're still gonna stream, okay? Hopefully in the future things will get better. So now I want to show you my favorite pattern. This is my favorite chart pattern, and if you follow me on TradingView, I spoke about this pattern. So this is called the rising three surges. So as you can see, basically there are 3 green candles, and then the third candle, 3 green candles starting from between the 200-day moving average and the 20-day moving average, right? And then they just 1, 2, 3, the third candle breaks the 50-day moving average support. Now so basically this third candle breaks the 50-day moving average support. So I'm going to show you a similar chart pattern that I saw. I think that was yesterday. So it was in Netflix. All right, so you can kind of see what's happening here, right? The chat patterns are very similar. You can see the 3-day, like the rising three soldiers right here, right? So you can kind of see that, though it's not exact, but you can kind of see how similar they appear, right? This was in Netflix today. I think if you check the chart of Netflix now, it's gone. So the buy signal is no longer valid in Netflix. And then I saw this buy signal just after I ended, I think about an hour after I ended my stream yesterday. And I planned to, I think I planned to do a workout. I think I did plan to do a workout yesterday. Oh, sorry about that. You can't see what I'm seeing. All right. Just a second. I need to show you what I am seeing. Okay. Oh my goodness. Just a second. Alright, I need to show you what I am seeing. Alright, so I don't know if you can see what I am seeing right now. I thought you could see what I was seeing. Sorry about that. I thought you could see it. Can I move it? Does it move? It's static. Alright, it's a static image. So basically, what's happening? Alright, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. All right, so what am I doing? Okay. All right. Okay, so yeah, basically as you can see, the chart patterns are very much similar. Let me see what you have here. So you can see here, right? So this is what I was trying to show you. I'm still learning how to use the streaming software, so this is crazy. I didn't know that you were not seeing it. Okay, so all right. How do I adjust the frame? So you can see from yeah, so you can see from okay, I don't know what the hell is happening here, guys. Okay, all right. Okay, man, I don't know what's happening. Okay, all right. So basically, yo, I don't know what's happening. Let's delete that. Okay, All right, so I think what you're seeing right now is the image, right? So I want you to focus on this chat button right now. Now what you are seeing here, right, is a chat button. Okay, I think that's better now. Okay, I think you can. All right, just a second. I'm trying to figure out this. So basically what I'm trying to show you is a chat button. Let me see, can you see it? Yeah, I think you can. I don't know if you can see the image, but what I'm trying to show you is the similarities. Oh no, what have I done? What am I doing? So basically what I'm trying to show you is the similarities in chat pattern. So this image right here, this was Netflix, right? So you have Netflix here, okay, and you can see the Ryzen 3 soldiers, and then this this pattern right here, this is okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm just learning how to use this software. So you can see this other side here, that the chat patterns are very much you know, similar. Okay, they're very much similar. You can look at, you can see it like that, right? That's the Ryzen 3 soldiers, and then you have that as well. Let me see if I can improve my presentation. I think that's better. Okay, I think that's better, guys. I think this is a better representation, right? Yeah, I think this is better now. So you can kind of see the similarities in the chat pattern right here. So you can tell this is the Ryzen 3 methods here. You can see it. Then you can also see it here as well. So basically the 50-day moving average is above the 20-day moving average, and then you have the Ryzen 3 methods breaking through the resistance of the 50-day moving average. Very similar to what's happened here. You can see it breaking through. You can see it breaking through the 50-day moving average, and you know, basically this is the type of pattern that you want to, you know, witness. You know, you want to see it you know, breaking through. Okay, you want to see it breaking through the resistance. Okay, that's what you want. You want to see it, you want to see a chart pattern that breaks through the resistance, and the Ryzen 3 soldiers is what you will get, right? You can see it breaking through the resistance right there. And this pattern is very important because this is the pattern that I used even to find Netflix yesterday, and this is what we want. And today I'm telling you, like, Amazon is the bomb. You know, Amazon is the bomb. So I just want to apologize for that mishap. I think the screen did go dark at some point, So hey, sorry about that, but yeah, so far so good. I'm still learning how to use this streaming software, so you will excuse me for that. Okay, does it still show? All right, so that's what I really just wanted to show you. Like, these patterns are very very similar, and that's the key right there. you know uh, the key is knowing what's happening here. Okay, I don't know why my screen is not moving. Okay, what's happening here, guys? Okay, something is not right. What am I doing? Okay, that was crazy. All right, so yeah, so basically this is what you're seeing. All right, now at the end of the day, you want to master a certain chart pattern. Right now, you will notice that it has like a new law, right? So this is like 1 2, right? So this is the first law, this is the second new law, and then it rises up. And then I think the second last pattern we're going to look at. So far the stream is good, it's going well. Now this one is also very powerful because it's near the earnings report. We're going to have an earnings report season. So do me a favor, if you're enjoying the content, if you have learned something of value, please feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I think yesterday we had one person join us, which was awesome. So if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. I think today's stream is definitely longer than yesterday's stream, so it means I am giving you the best of the best content. Now again, here we have the earnings report, which is coming out I think next week, which is so powerful. So now we have this strategy here. Now this is a bullish harami, and it's between the 20-day moving average and 50-day moving average. Now with this pattern, what I'm liking about this pattern is when you go back to the 15 minute candlestick chart pattern, you will see it rising, right? You will see it rising, and that's what you want, right? You want to trade something where the price is rising, so you can see kind of like the candlesticks rising like that, and that's what you want. Okay, so and then you check as well the 1 hour chart, and then you will see the rising 3 soldiers as well. So basically, and then you see the bullish engulfing. So basically you're looking for candlestick chart patterns in these 3 time frames. So we're seeing candlestick patterns in 4 time frames, as you can see. So we saw candlestick chart pattern, rising 3 soldiers in 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, we saw a bullish engulfing. Then finally we see the daily chart pattern with a bearish Harami. And so that's how these chart patterns are. You have to look for those things. Now the powerful thing about this one is that there is an element of fundamental analysis added to it, and that's what makes this one very very powerful. It is a very very powerful strategy, because there is definitely fundamental analysis added to it. So it is one of the best. I think I'm going to just download the image. I'm going to save it on my computer. So basically that's what makes this one so powerful. So you have what you have here is you have a bullish Harami, and then in that bullish Harami, where is that? And then in that bullish Harami, you have 3 candlestick patterns, right, connected to each other, bullish candlestick patterns, and that's what you are looking for. You're looking for 3 candlestick patterns that connect to each other. So starting from there, 15 minutes. Now the key in finding out is, what you do is, what I did was I removed, because I'm only using a free version. Alright, so then I added something called the MACD right here. That's what I did. So what it was is, I used the MACD from the 15-minute chart pattern to see if it was actually rising in price. So you can kind of see it rising in price, which is a very good sign. You want to see the MACD rising in price from the 15-minute chart. Ideally, you can also use the same even in other asset classes. So with this one, you can see the MACD has not risen on the 15-minute chart, but ideally we should see it rise in this one as well. So you can see that it rise on the 15-minute chart. So, and usually the 1 hour chart as well. So that's the key. You want to see the MACD rise not only on the 15-minute chart, but also on the 1 hour chart as well. Right, so you can see even with this one, that's the rising 3 soldiers. You can also see it here on the 15-minute chart. That's another rising 3 soldiers. You can see it on the 4 hour chart. That's a bullish engulfing. So it really does connect in all time frames, because the fact that there is a buying decision or a bullish pattern in all 3 time frames kind of shows you and convinces you that these are good buy signals. And now that we have looked at all these 3, in fact I would remove this one because this one is not valid. Now that we've looked at Bitcoin Cash, we've looked at Amazon, where I tried to show you a similar chart pattern with Netflix. Now I want us to jump into the last one. Now shout out to Andy Turner, Rich Dad advisor, who wrote the book Stock Market Cash Flow, because that's where I got this chart pattern from. Andy Turner from Rich Dad Advisors under Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote Stock Market Cash Flow. This is so accurate, it's so powerful. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. I couldn't believe it when I found it. It's a new strategy, and what I love about this strategy is that it actually includes stocks as well that have dividend yields. So you can buy this stock for even for a dividend yield, and it's also good for option trading. I think there should be a dividend yield somewhere here. There we go. So that's how Andy Turner rolls. You know, you can see it's got a dividend yield of 4% per year. So basically you can buy it for a dividend and it's in an uptrend, so you're buying a stock that has cash flow, plus it's got high probabilities of technical analysis. So again, shout out to Andy Turner. And this reminds me of my strategy, the rocket booster strategy, where the price really has to gap up, and you can see that gap up, and then you can see it's got like a 1 2 bottoms, right? It's got like a triple bottom, right? Like 1 2 3, and then it goes up. So this one is my number one go-to pattern. You can study the chart patterns as well, and if we go back, you can kind of see that I bought it from the beginning. I kind of bought it from the beginning, and we can still analyze it. So from the chart pattern here, I bought it right there on the rise of the 3 rising soldiers. I bought right at the bottom on the bullish harami, to a bullish engulfing on the 1-hour chart, to a bullish harami on the 4-hour chart, and finally a pullback on the daily chart, which is awesome. So hands down, this is the best stock I have ever seen to be traded. So shout out to Rich Dad Advisor Andy Turner. So that's it for now. I'm about to end the stream. Listen, I hope you enjoyed this stream. I know there has been some form of lag, you know, on the stream. I'm still working on the mechanics of it. You know, I'm still working on the mechanics of the stream. But my wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my goodness, Luby, what have you done? Okay, I'm reviewing the stream on the other screen. This is crazy. So I'm still working on the mechanics of the stream. Ideally, I should improve on my next stream. I will try to improve. I'll see if I can improve the next stream, but this stream did very well, even though I haven't had any viewers yet. I'm hoping that you will watch this video at some point. I think next time I'll try to get more viewers, but this is my second testing stream, and it's been long. This is crazy. I've never gone 30 minutes long in a stream before. So hopefully my next goal is to go 1 hour, and as I teach you more about trading, there's so much to learn about trading. This has been the best stream, so I'd love to thank you for joining me for this awesome stream. Trade safe out there, please. Read my disclaimer. Don't buy what I tell you to buy, don't sell what I tell you to sell. Just do your own research before you buy or sell anything. This has been one of the best streams I have done so far. I'm still reading the charts. The frames, it's pretty good. This stream was pretty good. I'm very much impressed. Yesterday's stream didn't go too well, but I'm impressed with this stream. So thank you again for joining me on this stream. Trade safe out there. Take care.